Once upon a time in a village, there lived a farmer. He was very poor and worked hard to earn money. One day, he visited his hen house. He saw something very shiny. Shortly, he found that one of his hen lays a golden egg every day in the morning. The farmer felt very lucky and started to earn enough money for his family's daily needs by selling the golden egg in the market. But one day, he got an idea. Why one egg each day? Why can't I take all of them at once and make a lot of money? His wife also agreed to cut the hen. Slaughtered hen. They found there was nothing but guts and blood. The farmer, realizing his foolish mistake, cried over the lost resource.